The expansion of the aggressive state of Israel, headed by Zionists, resembles the spread of a cancerous tumor in the body of humanity. This is how the idea of Judaism is embodied, how Zionist plans for the seizure of Arab territories from the Nile to the Euphrates and the creation of the so-called Third Jewish Kingdom of the new biblical Israel are being carried out. They do not hide their joy. Fortune has been successfully deceived and world public opinion cleverly fooled. Zionist generals like to speak about the victory of the Israeli David over the Arab Goliath, but they remain silent about the real components of their dirty war: cunning, deceit, bribery, betrayal, secret killings, sabotage, and blackmail, carried out through a wide network of Zionist organizations around the world and through control of the mass media in capitalist states. Yes, all of them know how to present black as white and white as black, and replace truth with lies. In those days, at a special session of the General Assembly, convened on the initiative of the Soviet Union, words of truth and justice were spoken to the whole world. Chairman of the Council of Ministers of the USSR, Alexei Nikolaevich Kosygin, called for the adoption of a resolution demanding that the aggressor withdraw from the captured territories. The Soviet people know better than anyone what war is and what disasters it brings. People of goodwill, it is this simple truth that the Zionists fear most.